most rewarding aspect of my practice is being able to work personally with our clients, so you develop personal relationships with them. Family law is unlike a lot of other kinds of law in that you work directly person to person with your clients. If you need a family law attorney, there's something difficult going on in your life. So we recognize that a lot of our clients are not, I don't want to say not at their best, but they're going through a very hard time in their lives quite often. And it's gratifying to be able to help them through that process. I think that's really important to have an outside perspective, someone who knows the law in the state and can help you through the divorce process or the paternity process, because you do need assistance, whether legally and emotionally. So my background and experience, I went to college at University of Wisconsin-Madison, and then graduated from UW-Madison with a bachelor's in international studies, global security, and gender studies. Knew I was interested in human rights and civil rights, hadn't decided on law school yet. Moved to Chicago, where I did ultimately decide to go to law school. I went to Loyola University in Chicago. While in Chicago, I continued my development of human rights law and started working at the Legal Aid Society in Chicago, where I was on the domestic violence team under a supervising attorney who did orders for protection and then ultimately divorces. A lot of the times segued from the orders for protection. I was on the team because I can speak Spanish. I was exclusively the Spanish-speaking client attorney in Chicago, or student attorney in Chicago. I think all but 2 of my clients were Spanish-speaking. So that's been helpful to learn to translate a lot of the legal terms and ideas into Spanish, and I enjoy doing that. I'd like to continue my work here. I still have a few clients that speak Spanish, but I'm always looking for more. I work with Tubman as one of the volunteer organizations, and they send Spanish-speaking clients to me for volunteer pro bono family law cases. I also work with Casa de Esperanza, which is another organization for women who are survivors of domestic abuse, and have worked with them as pro bono clients as well. After I took the bar here in Minnesota in summer of 2017, wasn't sworn in until October of 2017, spent a lot of time in fall of 2017 trying to learn about the family law community here in Minneapolis. It's a small, very connected community. Trying to break in is quite difficult as a new attorney, especially if you're a new graduate. But everyone I had talked to, I network with, everyone would always mention Nancy's name. You need to talk to Nancy Berg. With your interests, you need to talk to Nancy. I was interested in family law and an international aspect of family law, and that's a pretty unique area of expertise. So I came in to meet with Nancy for an informational interview in November of 2017, and I have not left since that informational interview. I get a lot of support. There's a lot of mentorship here, whether through other attorneys who have been here. Obviously, Nancy's practiced for almost 40 years of family law, so there's a wealth of knowledge here and a lot of experience, and it's a great place to learn. As you can see, that's a firm of women attorneys. It's a very supportive environment for a new woman attorney, and I enjoy it here. I enjoy working here.